Today's topic is on transition metals. If you refer to your periodic table, you will see there are different blocks: S block, P block, D blocks. Transition metals are present in the D blocks. So, transition metals are known as D block elements. If you refer to your periodic table, you will see some examples of transition metals: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. These elements have some special properties. For example, they are all metals with high melting points and high boiling points. Melting points of vanadium is 1900 degrees Celsius. Melting points of copper is 1100 degrees Celsius. These elements, these metals, have high densities. They are dense metals. If we refer to their densities, the density of chromium is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube of the metal has a mass weight of 7.2 gram. These elements exhibit variable oxidation states. For example, if we take manganese have oxidation state +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. +2, +4, +6, +7 are stable oxidation states. These transition metals, they form colored ions. Copper ions are blue. Iron 2 ions are green. This is copper 2 solution. The copper 2 ions present, you see, makes the solution becomes blue. This is iron 2 solution, contains iron 2 ions. The solution is green, pale green. This is another solution containing chromate ion, CrO4 2-. The solution is yellow. And this is a solution containing manganate ion. Manganate solutions contain MnO4- ions. This ion is purple in color. Transition metal, they form complexes. They form complex ions. Complexes, complex ions. Some example of complexes are given here: CrH2O6 3+. This is green in color. Another example is cobalt, COH2O6 2+, which is pink in color. Why transition metals show these properties is because they can make use of orbitals 4s and 3d. Copper 2+ ion is blue in color. This one is copper 2. Copper sulfate, copper 2 solution is blue. Iron 2 solution is green in color. Green in color. Chromate solution is yellow in color. Manganese solution is purple in color. So, one example of transition metal is scandium. This is the electronic configuration of scandium. It can use electrons from the 3d orbitals and electrons from the 4s orbital. It can use free electrons, so it can form Sc3+. Manganese. This is the electronic configuration of manganese in manganese. So you have 3d5 4s2. It can use all the 7 electrons. In manganate ion MnO4-, it uses all the 7 electrons. That's why we call it manganate 7 ion. So transition metals are special metals. They are D block elements. They have high melting points. They have high boiling points. They are dense metals. They are used as catalysts. They form colored solutions. They form complexes. They have variable oxidation numbers. In the Haber process, in the manufacture of ammonia, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to give ammonia. iron is used as catalyst. In the hydrogenation of alkenes, nickel is used as catalyst. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time for another lesson. Goodbye from me.